Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Chrome download failed network error. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have Chrome currently opened, just close it. Now go ahead and go to your date and time right here at the bottom right. Right-click, click on Adjust Date and Time. Now go ahead and go to the top, click on Region. Make sure that you set the region to the correct region. Okay? Just click on this drop down, find your region, and select it. Once it's selected, you're going to go back. Make sure that these two are enabled, okay? Set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Once that's done, click on Sync Now. Close this one. Now open up Google Chrome. Try to download and check if it helps. If that won't work, go ahead over to the top right, click on the three dots and Settings, okay? Click on it, and then go ahead and find the left panel right here. We have Downloads. So just click on it and try to change the download location. Okay, click on change, maybe save it on your desktop. Click on select folder, and again, try to download. All right, if that still won't work, close this one. Gotta find your command prompt under your search bar, run as administrator. There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes. Now do not type something here yet, okay? Move it away. Open up your search bar once more and type down Control Panel. Click on it. And here, make sure that you're under large icons and then find Network and Sharing Center. Click. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Double click on the network that you're currently using. Click on Properties. Now find the Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Click on it, make sure that it is highlighted, and click on Properties. Now just copy my settings. Obtain an IP address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. Click on OK. Close, 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 close. Now bring up command prompt. Type down ipconfig /flush DNS. Okay. Hit on enter. netsh winsock reset. Hit on enter. netsh int IP reset. Hit on enter. And lastly here, just restart your computer. And after that, go ahead and launch Google Chrome, download something, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix Chrome download failed network error. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.